Today I wanted to show how you can list a card for sale on eBay. So to get started, you're going to want to make sure you're logged into your eBay account, and then you're going to click the sell button at the top of the page. And if you do have an eBay store, it'll take you to a page like this, and you're going to want to click create listing, a single listing. If you do not have an eBay store, I believe it'll take you to this page here. So you'll get started by typing in the title for your card in this box and click get started. In the interest of time, I've already started a draft, so I'm just going to open that up. So one of the most important parts of your listing is actually the title. The title is going to be how buyers find your product. So you're going to want to make sure you include all of the correct keywords. And all of the keywords that I've used in my title can actually be found on either the front or the back of the card. So if we look at that, we can see that this is a 2016 Absolute Basketball card of Pascal Siakam. You can see it's a rookie card. It's serial numbered 657 out of 999. If we look at the back of the card, we can see this is card number 180 in the set. And again, it's printed down here at the bottom that this is a card from 2016 Panini Absolute Basketball. I personally feel that photos are also one of the most important parts of your listing. You're going to want to make sure you have clear images with proper lighting so that buyers can see the condition of the card. What I like to do, I like to take a photo of both the front and the back of the card. And then I also like to take two photos, one of the top two corners and one of the bottom two corners for both the front and the back of the card. One other thing to note is that you're going to want to make sure that you're listing your card in the correct category. This will also help buyers find your item. So eBay has different fields for you to fill out. Again, this just helps in the search results. I feel that it's important to include as much information as possible. And again, all of this can be found on the actual card. Then comes the description of your item. You're going to want to make sure that you're describing the item. You can also note the condition, how it's going to be shipped. So next you can set the price of the card. You can either do a fixed price or an auction style listing. For this listing, I've chosen the buy it now price to be $29.99. You do have an option to receive offers from potential buyers. Then you're going to make sure that you have entered your payment information. So if you're using PayPal, you're going to want to make sure you use the correct PayPal email address. There's been times where I've purchased cards and the seller set up their listing with the wrong PayPal address, and they had to go through eBay customer support in order to get their payment. So always make sure that the correct PayPal email address is included in your listing. Now, I always recommend that you require immediate payment with a buy it now. That way somebody can't come along and purchase the card and not actually pay for it. That way you're not stuck waiting days to actually receive payment for your card. The next section of the eBay listing is the shipping details portion. So the three most important fields of the shipping details are your shipping service, whether or not you'll be offering free shipping, and your handling time. This will let your buyer know when they can expect to receive their card and how much the shipping cost will be. Now, as far as the package weight and dimensions, you can always edit these later on when it's time to ship out your card. After you've entered your shipping details, you do have the option to promote your card either with a promoted listing or by offering a volume pricing discount. Once you've done this, you're able to go ahead and list your card. And now that it's listed, you can just wait for a buyer to come along and pay you for your card. At that time, you're able to ship it out to your customer. If you need help on how to ship your sports card, I do have a video on my channel explaining the process for how to ship a sports card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps. Please reach out to me if you have any questions.